Everyone is talking about AI. You have to learn AI. AI will replace the job. AI will be everywhere. You need to learn AI, otherwise you will fall behind. But what exactly it is? Is it really you need? Is it really something that will take your job, or is it something will empower you to go ahead? I found many people are focusing and falling behind. They don't know where to start. They don't know what to do. I made this site for them. There it is work in progress. It is so many things are there. I will be giving you these Perplexity, Jasper, Leonardo, and writing and data analysis and website development videos along videos along with access where you can actually do things, taste things. For 30 minutes would be free, and after that you can pay. I'll be having that voice assistant to that one. These things are still working in process. So image, you can create the image, you can see the video how to do it. So everything will be there for you. You can just log in daily, 30 minutes, practice, learn. If you want, you can get a subscription as well. You will come to know how things can be done. So many things at one banner, under one umbrella. What are you waiting for? Join for my waiting list. I'll be sending you the form, and I'll give you a special discount if you join in the waiting list. Thank you.